Welcome to the Kickemuit River, where a monumental transformation unfolds. Here, where the Kickemuit Dam once stood, the course of nature is being restored. Gone is the barrier, and with it, a new era begins. Waters flow freely, ecosystems rejuvenate, and life thrives along the reborn riverbanks. This change isn't just about water paths. It's about future possibilities, revealing how, when we step back, nature steps forward in remarkable ways. Tune in next week as we explore the dynamic shifts between high and low tides, showcasing the river's dramatic daily transformation. Witness nature's resilience in action.